Good morning! So this is our last full day here in Singapore. What an amazing country!
Especially the food. Sobrang sarap ng food dito. So, nag-check out na kami from our hotel, but we left our luggages there kasi yung flight namin is 12 midnight pa. So, may one full day kami para gumala-gala pa. We've booked our Art Science Museum today. So, we're gonna go there and then titingnan namin kung maka-shopping kami sa IMM. And right now, we're here at Newton Food Center. Dito kami magbe-breakfast. Nakain muna kami ngayon before doing anything else. So, tara!
Let's go!
Sabay-sabay tayong gumala today.
Tara!
This is Newton Food Center. So, malaki siya na. Isa pang hawker place. And dito nag-shoot si Crazy Rich Asians. Ito kami kakain. Let's go! We're now in Newton Food Center. Open siya 24 hours pero at this time parang ang daming sarado. Hanap na lang tayo ng makakainan. For 15 minutes lang siya from our hotel. One bus lang, tumawid lang kami, sumakay dun sa tawiran. Tingin lang tayo. So huwag kayo pupunta ng gantong oras. Sarado siya. Madaming sarado. Pero may mga bukas din naman. Here's a Michelin starred stall. Let's see what we can get from here. Dying options. This is a char siu with pork for $6. It's a medium, and I got some vegetables also for $6. And they give you free soup. We only got the laksa. How much is this? Laksa is for $6.
60.
And we also want to try, what's this?
Braised pork.
Braised pork rice set. Looks yummy. How much? $6. So, ayun na nga. Tapos na kaming kumain. Ang sarap ng food.
Sobra. So I ordered yung pinapangarap ko na Maricel. Laksa. And then set ng fried pork char siu. Ang sarap niya. So wala yata akong nakain na hindi masarap. Like Japan, pumapantay na yung Singapore sa sarap ng pagkain.
Ako naman, nakabili ako sa isang Michelin na stall dito. I got char siu with roasted pork over rice. Ang sarap din niya. And yung meron akong in-order na oyster sauce vegetable. Pareho siyang $6. So $12 yung bill ko doon. And then we bought some drinks. We bought sugarcane with lemon and Thai iced tea. Thai iced tea is for $3.50. The sugarcane lemon is for $3. Super sarap din.
Super
kahit
sarap. So
kahit ganun lang.
worth it yung $15 na meal ko with a drink.
Yes. So, yan. This
Punta na
is
kayo dito.
Newton Food Center. Puntahan niyo to para feeling Crazy Rich Asians din kayo. Kami, Crazy Asians lang. Let's go! So, to get to Art Science Museum, get off at, if you're taking the MRT, get off at Bayfront and look for exit C or D. Tara, yung papuntang Marina Bay Sands. So, hanapin nyo tong tubig. Pag nahanap nyo yung tubig, diretso dito sa taas so that you can go out going to Art Science Museum. Ayan. Baka balik na naman kami sa McKinley. So, ayan, we're gonna walk towards Art Science Museum. Ay, ganda dito, oh. Art Science Museum Level 1. Let's go.
So, nandito kami sa mall ni Tita's Mall. Kami ang crazy Asians. Walang reach.
Wala pa. Pero we'll get there. Manifest mo lang, ganon. Tapos, mag-subscribe kayo.
Sa kadaanan natin sa dasal.
Pag marami naming subscribers, pwede na kaming maging crazy rich Asians. But for now, okay na kami sa 2 out of 3. Crazy Asians.
Crazy Asians. Sa Tagalog, loka-loka pa lang.
Let's go. Nakikita na namin yung Art Science Museum. Tara, let's.
Tara na!
We're here at the Art Science Museum. So we booked our tickets from Klook and we don't need to get anything else. We can just use this directly to enter. We got the Future World tickets. So if you also want to book yours, you can do it through Klook and use our promo code
Job Explorers!
to get discounts on your booking. Pasok na kami to Future World. To the future. Let's go! So Future World is also where Team Lab is. So kung yun yung gusto nyong experience, get the Future World experience where art meets science.
Alright, so one and the other one. So just stay inside, no flash for top.
Okay. Thank you. Wow. So it's just like Team Lab in Japan. Nice. Uy, astig, parang water. So nice here. I-touch mo yung water. Diba? Tara.
Oh my God, so pretty!
Nakakabaliw.
Ang ganda!
Look! Here's our drawing. We made fish. You can get the papers from here and nandyan yung mga crepas. Put it inside first.
Thank you. And first one. The friend will take his home. Thank you. Sir, can I help you?
You look for it? There's your Chop Explorer! I found it! It's the Chop Explorer! Wala, nagkakagulo sila! What happened?
ये देखिए इस बच्चे का ये क्या है
Eka, ang laki. Yeah! Yeah, ayan o, Chop Explorer! Yeah, Chop Explorer! Please! Iniwan kami. Ayan o. Kukulong mo yun.
Ayan.
Oh!
Kukulong mo lang. Oh, parang ganyan. Tamalbog-talbog yan. Ano, kakalan sila. Hindi sa mabala.
Yeah? Ito naman.
Catch mo lang sila dun sa cup pag tumatalon.
Trippy.
Namiss ko si Elda saka si Josh. Elda, Josh.
Yeah!
Ganda na experience natin dito sa Singapore. We super love the experience here in Singapore Team Lab.
Ang fun niya, if you've been to the Team Labs in Tokyo, same but different. Ganon yung feel niya. Pero super fun talaga, as in trippy. Favorite namin yung magka-color ka, tapos you put it dun sa, isa-scan siya, tapos lilipad na siya. Sobrang saya lang niya. Ang simple.
Hindi ako artsy sa mga pagka-color na yan. So, pero dito, tawan-tawa ako once na makita mo na yung ginawa mo sa screen.
Yeah, sobrang ganda talaga. So, if you get the chance, do this then. And you can book your tickets via Klook. And use our promo code
Chop Explorers!
to get discounts on your booking. So, we'll put the link then below. So, in the museum shop, they have this Little People, Big Dreams. They have books on Neil Armstrong, Steve Jobs, Helen Keller, Steve Irwin, Stephen Hawking, etc., etc. They even have Beyonce, Michael Jordan, Coco Chanel. Nice. And they have other toys for smart kids and adults too. From the Art Science Museum, you can see the Helix Bridge right there. So, pwede ding maglakad dyan. But we're not gonna do it because it's so hot. And then the Singapore Flyer is also there. So, nandyan lang siya lahat. Tabi ng, or near the Art Science Museum. So, I'm eating here in Guangxi. I got the char siu, dumpling noodle. Thank you very much. walking on Helix Bridge to get to the bus station. Sabi pa naman namin, ayun na, pumunta dito kanina kasi mainit. Pero wala kaming choice kasi dito pala yung bus. We're on our way to Orchard. May mga parts naman na may shade. So now we're here on Orchard Road. Buti na lang Singapore, maganda ka. At ang dami mong masarap puntahan at ang dami mong masarap na pagkain kasi hindi namin kinakaya ang init mo.
Yes, gusto ko na ng AC.
Ang sarap ng may aircon na bitbit. Ikot lang kami dito sa Orchard. Kunyari may pera kami. I mean, kunyari may budget kami. May pera naman kami. Huwag kang ano. So we're here at Five Guys. And we ordered just one burger kasi ako yung kumain kanina sa
Marina Bay.
titikman ko lang ang Five Guys burger niya na worth $32.
33 actually, 32.80.
7 p.m. in Singapore and it's still so bright outside. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. You take care.
Take care. Let's go.
Let's go. Oh, yung water wala.
Why?
Area closed for maintenance.
Oh no.
About from March 18 ngayon.
Oh no. Wrong timing. It's closed. Oh well. So unfortunately, the rain vortex is closed today for maintenance. Of all times, today pa talaga. So since 1 a.m. pa yung flight namin, nag-decide kami na mag-avail ng lounge dito sa Changi Airport. So this is the Changi Lounge. We booked it through Klook. If you want to book yours too, we'll put the link in the description box below. It's for 1,250 per person. So ang ano niya, meron siyang tatlong klase, light, classic, and premium. Just got the light one. So 3 hours in the lounge and you get unlimited snacks. Yung difference niya sa premium at saka sa classic, meron yung hot meal na kasama at saka you can use the shower and nap pod. So if we want to use the shower or nap pod, may extra payment siya. But you can book this through Klook, description below, and use our promo code
Job Explorers
to get discounts on your booking. Here's the lounge. They're open until 10 p.m. And ito yung rates niya in SGD. Going inside, maraming couches and places to sit and mag-rest and mag-charge. For snacks, they have some pastries and cookies. Ayan, some pika-pika na nuts and fruits. Plus, they have a lot of tea and drinks. Itong mga drinks, syempre, unlimited lahat. You can just get your canned juices or soda there. And they also have a coffee corner. If you're in Jewel Changi and you're riding Cebu Pacific, usually they're in Terminal 4. So there's a bus right here at the entrance going to Terminal 4. Di na kayo mahirapan.
Chubs! Ito yung gusto naming itry na cafe sa Malaysia pero ang haba ng pila. Dito sa Changi Airport, walang kapila-pila. This is Batcha Coffee since 1910. So this is a cafe na napanood namin sa isang vlog na sobrang sarap ng croissant nila. Bibili tayo, itatry natin today. We ordered 2 croissant and 1 coffee. Yung recommended nila yung in-order natin. That will be 15 Singaporean dollars. So we're just waiting for our order. I'm so excited! Ang social naman nito, nakakaloka Batcha. So, ang laman nito, yung dalawang croissant na in-order ko, which is the honey almond and the pistachio. At ito yung coffee nila. Recommended to nung guy na lumapit sa akin. Isa sa mga salesperson nila. Ito yung coffee. Tapos, ang sabi niya sa akin, ito daw, ilalagay ko dito. So, hindi ko alam kung ano to.
Oh, shake ng shake. Baka
So, ayun. So,
tumapon.
let's try and i-review natin mamaya kung worth it ba yung paghahanap ng batch. Kasi sa Malaysia, hindi talaga kami nakatry. Ang haba ng pila.
Batcha.
Ang sarap.
Try natin ang pinagmamalaki ni Tony na
Moroccan.
batcha na mahabang pila, Moroccan coffee.
Kaiba siya eh.
Ay, oo.
May caramel taste na, pero
Oh my God, this is so good. May kasama siyang sugar, cream.
tada!
Oh, ang cream nyo, ice cream. Ilalagay daw siya sa coffee, no?
Oo.
Uy, sarap.
Ang sarap ng kape. Try natin yung croissant. Like the honey almond.
Honey almond.
Namatay.
Try natin, honey almond croissant. Ang sarap. It's really good, ah. $3.90 for the croissant. So, ayun na nga. That concludes our Singapore trip. Anong favorite mo sa trip na to, Beshi?
Actually, madami. Yung luge, the luge.
Saya,
Sobrang
no?
saya. Nakatatlong routes kami. And yung pinakahuling route namin, buti natapos namin bago umulan ng malakas. Sabi ko nga dun sa previous vlog, hindi masisira ng ulan ang saya na naidulot sa amin nung experience na yon.
Ulan ka lang, Chub Explorers kami.
Yes. And second, yung Universal Studios. So, hindi siya umulan pero hindi siya ganun kainit. And kokonti yung tao kasi siguro it's Friday and madami kami nasakyan, madami kami napanood na show. So, worth it. And pangatlo, yung food. As in, lahat ng kinain namin sobrang sarap. Sa Maxwell, Newton, Food Center. Highly recommended na pumunta kayo sa Singapore. Kaya lang maghanda kayo kasi sobrang init. Tapos kung walang water dispenser yung hotel nyo, water cost $1.80 or $1.90 yung pinakamura. So medyo mahal siya. So for a 500 ml of water, it will cost you almost 100 pesos. Syempre since mainit, like kayo madidehydrate, like kayo bibili ng tubig. So malaking chunk ng money nyo is mapupunta sa water and drinks.
Unless you bring your water bottle like us. So sa mga theme parks naman, kagaya ng Universal, meron silang mga water fountain. And then if you go to the food courts like Maxwell, meron din silang water refill station. Also sa airport, meron din. Maganda na magdala kayo ng sarili nyong water bottle. Pwede kayo bumili ng ice sa 7-Eleven, although hindi namin siya na-try. Pero meron silang, may nakita kami na may ice pero feeling ko pang coffee. And then, Cool Fever, pwede kayo magdala, lagay nyo sa noo nyo. Pwede rin kayong magdala ng towel na babasain nyo sa mga CR, sa pampupunas nyo ba sa katawan nyo or sa face nyo para at least hindi kayo ma-heat stroke kasi sobrang init talaga dito. Commuting, for us, mas madali mag-bus kasi mas konti yung lakad pag mga bus yung sasakyan mo kasi pagbaba mo usually nandun na yung mga attractions, konting lakad na lang. Unlike sa trains, pag nag-transfer ka pa ng train, mahaba-haba pa yung lakarin. We hope you had fun watching this video just as we did making it.
Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe! Paalam! hanggang sa susunod na gala.
See you next vlog. Bye!
Tananantan!